Man, let me get a little bit closer to the water. I want to capture this and show you. So I'm doing a hike at Kunkorn Waterfall. Early morning, nobody here. In fact, the park was closed and the security just opened it up for me. My taxi driver's waiting. There's no Wi-Fi, there's no data, no connection. I'm doing the hike alone, just basically relying on the signs and my own sense of direction. Anyway, I've done so many hikes before. Just saw a sign that there is green venomous pit snakes. There we go. Temperature's rising already. Weather changing, so I want to get this done quick. Hit the falls, head back, grab coffee. Let's go try the water temperature right there. See what it's like. Super careful here because if you ever get a chance to visit this waterfall or something like this, I want you to get here, practice 5 minutes of gratitude, practice 5 minutes of meditation, what you're thankful for, go in the water. This is purely an example of how to connect with nature, mind, body, soul. I mean, you can't get any more real than this. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. A lot of water mist coming my way, but absolutely amazing, man. What a great way to connect with nature. If you get a chance, get your legs ready, get your body ready, get strong, and go on these type of trips. Experience this while you still have a chance. Don't wait. There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow. You got to do something today. You got to make sure you get healthy today. You got to make sure you get strong today. Get your legs ready today. Lunges, single leg squats, push-ups, bang, protein, fiber, meditation, body awareness, self-awareness, courage, discipline. Everything I stand for.